is Pradyan. I am from grade 4E. Most of the older PCs or laptops are generally installed with an optical hard drive. Because they are slow, you will see performance issues while gaming or video conferences, Google Meet, Zoom or Skype. In this educational tutorial, I am going to show you how to make your PC faster by replacing your hard drive with a solid state drive. It works very faster, making the PC/laptop faster. For this procedure, you will need a 128 GB or above SSD, a screwdriver, a bootable USB or DVD with Windows 10 in it. This is my external hard drive, and you will have to plug the USB port into your computer. You will have to back up all your data, and which will be showed in the next clip. Now I will show you how to back up all your important files to your external hard drive. First, go to the folder where you saved your data, copy the data, then go to your external hard drive, then paste it there. Like that, it has been pasted into the folder. Now I'm going to be shutting down the PC completely. First you go to the Windows button right there. Then you click on Power. Then you click on Shutdown. As you see, the PC has shut down and completely turned off. I'm going to be flipping over my PC to the back side to access everything down here. First, you remove your battery by pushing this to the left. Then you remove the battery. To remove the whole cover here, you need to remove it like this. Now, as you see, I have access to the whole back stuff here. This is the place where the hard drive sits in. First, I will be removing the cover where the hard drive sits in, like this. This is where the hard drive will sit in. Placing the SSD in the hard drive bay like this. First you push it back like this, then it will be locked there, then you push it right in here, like this. That's how, now you have the SSD inside the hard drive bay. Now you're going to be screwing all the screws right here, like this. Now I'm done with that. Now I'll be putting the cover back in, like this. Now the cover has been put in. Now you keep back the tray back, like this. Now you'll keep the battery back in now. You will plug your USB into your PC like this. Now you'll power your PC on. Follow the instructions you get on the screen. Then you'll have your SSD installed with Windows 10 on it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.